welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. We're putting together hanging baskets now that are going to flower from May right through until October. Don't forget the essential ingredient in the basket is SWELL WELL Compost. Contains 12 to 14 months slow release fertilizer and a wetting agent. You've got all the major and minor nutrients in there. Now, 4 plants will fill this basket perfectly with non-stop colour from May until October. The first is these Vista Petunias. They're fantastic. This is Petunia Vista Paradise, deep pink, non-stop flowers right through until October. It's going to spill out over the edge of the basket. We're going to put in on this side, so the Vista Paradise is going there. On this side we have a petunia called Startunia Blue, and it's deep blue to purple, flecked white through its petals. Very unusual petunia. So we'll settle those two in first, and both fantastic performers. Not grown from seed, grown from cuttings, really strong growers. They'll give a bit of height in the middle of the basket and spill out. So there's 2 gone in. So that's our Vista Paradise, and then the Startunia Blue with the purple to blue with a hint of white. There's Peter Robin come to check out proceedings at the moment and check that we're doing everything right with this basket. 2 Bidens then, hot and spicy. They've got fern-like foliage and orange flowers like that. They're going to spill down over the edge of the basket and in through the other 2 petunias. So we're going to put 2 Bidens hot and spicy in, and just those 4 plants very quickly. There's the hot and spicy just coming into flower now. So non-stop flower right through until October. Fern-like foliage and plenty of orange flowers. So plenty of colour going on in this basket. A very simple basket for non-stop colour from May until October. Bye for now. Enjoy your garden.